Ever had your processing rates jump without warning? For high-risk businesses, sudden hikes can eat into your margins overnight. Here's where most people miss it. Rate sheets often have sections that allow increases with little notice. Spotting these clauses helps you understand where unexpected costs might appear. Many processors reserve the right to raise rates with minimal notice, which can be devastating for cash flow. High risk businesses are especially vulnerable since providers see them as unstable or harder to support. That's why it's important to know exactly where sudden increases can happen. EasyPay Direct solves this by setting you up with banks that understand and support your vertical. That stability reduces the risk of surprise hikes and keeps your costs predictable. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also get access to features like recurring billing, which helps you keep revenue flowing consistently. If you want to protect your business from sudden fee increases, EasyPay Direct can help you set up with the right bank from the start. The sign up link is in the description so you can get started today.